Hello, silly bakers. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini, and I love to create healthier baked treats. Today we are going to be making a banana almond muffin. I don't know about you, but I always have bananas in my freezer, and I don't always like to make a banana bread, or I'm not always in the mood to make banana bread. So this is a muffin recipe that I have been making for years. It is something that everybody that I give this to loves. They're very simple to make and require no effort at all. I do love to add or sneak in a little fiber in there, which is something that I've been trying to increase in my diet. So I've been trying to increase my protein, my healthy fats, and my fiber, and this is a great recipe to do that. So let's make a healthy banana almond muffin. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I've thawed 2 bananas, and I've lined a 12-cup muffin tin with silicone liners. You can use whatever liners you have. I've added those 2 bananas to a bowl, along with 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You're going to give that a mix. You're going to break down those bananas as much as you can. Two teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to add your salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I use Ceylon cinnamon. And then you're going to give everything a good mix. Now, because you're adding your baking powder in with the wet ingredients, you want to make sure that you are giving it a very thorough mix. Next, you're going to add your almond flour along with your chocolate chips at the same time. This actually helps the chocolate chips not sink to the bottom, and then you're going to mix everything until it's incorporated. Next, I'm actually adding 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. This is such a great way to boost your fiber intake in a recipe. You won't even taste it. Just mix that in until it's incorporated. You can also add it to your almond flour, which I normally do. I just forgot to do it, but you can do it at this stage as well. You're going to scoop your mixture into your liners about 3/4 of the way up. These muffins don't rise too much, so you can actually have all 12 liners on one muffin tray. Normally, I would do 6 in one and 6 in another to give them a little room to rise. You want to bake your muffins at 350 for about 25 minutes until they're golden and a toothpick comes out clean. They are incredibly easy, delicious, and fluffy, and perfect for breakfast or a snack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try our banana almond muffins, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.